Sugar, come. Sugar is here. Ladies and gentlemen, Sugar. All right. Wow. Sugar, come. Ladies and gentlemen, if you love Sugar, make some noise. If you don't know who she is, Sugar, turn around. No matter what she carries. Somebody say power. Wow. Sugar, come. Yeah. So now, we're going to have a dancing competition among them. And the winner is going to go home with a brand new iPhone 17 Pro Max. I'm too big to die. DJ.
Guys, we have so much food. I mean, I made food to feed 20,000 people. And you guys know that the food wasn't ready up until 12 a.m. in the morning. And we didn't start distribution until about 1 a.m. Please, you guys, we have so much food. There is so much food here. And the food is good. Like, it is amazing. Deborah, did you try the food? It is delicious. Exactly. You guys, please.
This is the best part. The food part is what is the part.
I mean, there's goat meat in the rice. Please, just come to Eko Hotel and come and pick up food. We have so much food. I wasn't joking when I said I made the biggest pot of Nigerian jollof rice the world has ever seen. So we're packing a lot of it. We're going to Mushin. We're going to the mosques. We're going to different parts of like phase 1. We won't take it to the prison. But there is still so much food, guys. Look, literally, there is still so much food. It's been neatly packed. We're still packaging food. There is still so much food. Please, you guys, come through and come and get the food. It's a lot, and I can't waste it. We cannot waste it. Please, the food is good. I promise you, a trial will convince you. Just come through. You can bring your coolers. See, we still have so much food. Even with all the packaging, there is still so much food. Please, I beg you, you guys, you can come to Eko Hotel. This is 6 a.m. I'm not leaving this place. I've been here since the day before yesterday, and I'm not going to leave this place until this pot is empty and until everybody in Lagos has eaten from this food. So please, you people should come and get this food.